Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 13 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So we have to start with opening the contact list, so let me do it using the dialer. I'm not sure if I can. I can. So let's tap on the contacts, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, so let me pick Tina. And then tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on add photo, and as you can see we've got two different options. We can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. So let's tap on it, find the photo and tap on it. And here in this step we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted square is responsible for it. We can also rotate the picture, it's up to you, and then tap on save copy. As you can see, the photo will immediately appear in the circle, so remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. This is how our contact looks like after applying. You will be able to see this photo also on the contact list. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.